All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of the winner's choice. That is the Giannis 8x10, the Yelich 8x10, the Taylor Cleat, and the Lambeau Field framed print. So we'll check the time May 7th at 12:45 p.m. We're going to go over to the Raz and type live. We have May 7th at 12:45 p.m. There is the list of our 15 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 10. All right, 10 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Joe Spot 6 is your winner. So, Joe, please message me to make your selection. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, May 7th, 12:46 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.